Just a quick one today. This is a board-only repair for a Sega Dreamcast Optical drive. The problem here is that the card reader appears to be damaged right over here. I do have the replacement part, so we can fortunately take a look and just see how this thing is attached on the bottom, which makes it helpful. So as you can see, we've got these contact points here. There are a couple of anchors here on the edge, here and here, and then these three in the back, which would be these right here. Now I haven't done one of these before, but it does look pretty straightforward. This would be similar to doing the card reader on a Nintendo Switch or something like that. So I think what we're going to do is just kind of add a bit of leaded solder to all these contact points. Fortunately, they are accessible, so we can pretty much do all this with the iron. We might use some heat to take it off once we have all that stuff flowed in. I don't know what the tolerance is heat-wise on this board, but I don't think this will be a problem. We'll just go ahead and get some leaded solder onto all these contact points, and then we'll start heating it up, and I think it'll come off pretty easily. Hard to get all this on the camera. Let's go this way. All right, not too tough. Alright, so we're just going to clean this off and set the new card reader down and then add the solder. Oh, that's nice. So there's something. I've got a couple little guide holes on the bottom there. So you can see these are going to line up on the board, which is very nice because then we know we have everything in exactly the right position. So if you just shift it around till those line up, you'll feel it drop inside, and then we know we've got this card reader in straight. So that is quite helpful. So I think we'll just start with the pins. And once a couple of these are attached, it will stop floating around. And I don't want to go crazy with the flux because we're not going to be able to clean underneath this, obviously. See that shift? I want to make sure this is straight. Yeah, okay, so it's got a tiny bit of movement there. That's alright. Coming a little closer here. Get at an angle. Alright, that looks good. Let's go ahead and hit these. Actually, let's go ahead and get the back first so that we know we're sitting down flush. Quite a bit of glare there. Alright, that should be fine. Alright, that should do it. I'll clean this up and we should be ready or prepared to install an SD card when this thing gets put back together. Well, the closest thing I have to an SD card is an adapter, but I think that should let us check it, and there you go. We are ready to reinstall this back into the console.